These are the ActivePro insoles from CURREX. And if you're wondering why something like this even exists, let's talk about it. These CURREX insoles are made for everyday wear, but with real performance in mind. Right here in the back, you've got this blue zone. That's for heel cushioning and shock absorption. I'm pressing on it so you can see how soft yet supportive it is. It's not just foam, it's purpose-built. You've probably heard of Dr. Scholl's, right? There's a reason inserts like that became a thing, because regular sneakers just aren't built for people like us. Folks who walk a lot, who live in their shoes. I'm swapping out the original insoles from my Adidas sneakers. You can tell just by looking they've been through it. These are the shoes I wear when I'm streaming. Working out, walking to events, they're my default. But the factory insoles, they don't do your feet any favors after a while. Now, here's how you get the right fit. You line the CURREX insole up with the one that came with your shoe, trace it, then cut it down to size. Super easy, takes maybe a minute. I'll admit, I took a shortcut here. Instead of tracing, I just stacked the insoles and cut around the edge. It worked, but if you want the best fit, take your time and trace it properly. Learn from my laziness. I picked up the large size because my shoe size is 9.5. If you're not sure what your profile, CURREX has this tool called the Insole Finder. You just answer a few questions, upload a photo of your foot, and it gives you a recommendation based on your profile. Mine came out as medium profile. Once you're done cutting, just remove the old insole, slide the new one in, and you're good to go. When I stepped in for the first time, I felt an immediate difference, even just standing still. My arches felt supported. My heels weren't as sore. It's subtle, but noticeable. They retail for $54.95, and for me, that's totally worth it. If you walk a lot, stand for long hours, or stream like I do, these insoles basically pay for themselves over time. Less fatigue, less soreness, maybe even fewer issues down the line. Of course, I'm not a doctor and I can't make any medical claims, but I can say from experience, I like them. A lot.